Happy fall. Welcome back to Reissued. My name is Andrew, and I am incapable of throwing anything away. You may remember a couple weeks back I did a lighted shelves video project that was made from a drawer that I found at the Habitat for Humanity REISSUED. And if you were paying close attention, you will notice that there was part of the drawer that got cut off that I didn't end up using. So right after I did that video, I went ahead and made that into a wine rack. So we're going to travel back in time here. I initially was going to include it as a part of that video, but then I got tired of editing. And so I thought it would warrant its own video. So we're going to hit that today. 3, 2, 1, go. When I first cut off this part of the drawer, I thought I would hang it above the shelves as like an additional decorative shelf. But then we had the idea that it would be the perfect size for a wine rack. I opted to hang it under my little bar thing for easier access. Lord knows we all need easier access to wine these days. So you'll see that at the end. The design is pretty simple. I need a barrier to keep the wine bottles from falling out and some grooves that the wine glasses can slot into. Let's do the grooves first. I marked the holes along the top, equally spacing them out and being sure that my wine glasses wouldn't be too close to the edge or to each other. Oh, this gives me flashbacks to the cigar box makeover drilling fiasco. But this was so much easier since the surface wasn't curved or uneven. It was best to drill through from one side just until the point of the drill poked through, then flip the whole thing over and drill from the other side to complete the hole. This kept the wood from tearing as the hole went all the way through and created a really smooth cut. After all the holes were drilled, I created a paper template with the shape I wanted for the groove. The groove needed to be smaller than the hole so the glass wouldn't fall out, but wide enough to easily allow the stem to pass. I laid the template across the hole, lining up the edge of the paper with the edge of the wood and traced around it. Since the groove pattern was curved and these were pretty small, detailed cuts, the jigsaw worked best. This was my first time using a jigsaw and I love the control and security I had with this, as compared to my many other recent sawing experiences. Grooves done. Next, I cut 2 identical pieces that fit just inside the one shelf. One for the bottle barrier and the other to provide a place to drill into to hang the wine rack. I placed the pieces, drilling holes through them, and inserted my screws to hold them together. This was kind of the same thing that I did for the lighted bar shelves. Finally, I did some sanding, first with a metal rasp, then with the finer grade sandpaper to smooth out any rough edges and make it feel finished. After locating a stud and screwing right into the wall, it's done. Ugh, if only every project was this easy.